Are you eating? There's bits. Croissant bits. Mmm. Yay! Daddy's working on the house in the background. Yeah. And you're eating croissant and cracker. Oh, you dropped it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.